Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for the NEET exam. I will discuss biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to crack the NEET exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let's keep this community growing, and obviously also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Now the first question is, which one of the following is not a property of cancerous cells, whereas the remaining three are? The options are: they show contact inhibition, they compete with normal cells for vital nutrients, they do not remain confined in the area of formation, and the last option, they divide in an uncontrolled manner. Here the correct answer will be option 1, they show contact inhibition, because contact inhibition is a process of arresting cell growth when cells come in contact with each other. As a result, normal cells stop proliferating when they form a monolayer in culture disc. Contact inhibition is a powerful anti-cancer mechanism that is lost in cancer cells. Then say next question, motile zygote of Plasmodium occurs in. The options are human liver, gut of female Anopheles, salivary glands of Anopheles, and human RBCs. Here the correct answer will be option 2, gut of female Anopheles. Because mobile zygote of Plasmodium occurs in the gut of female Anopheles, Plasmodium completes its sexual stage in mosquito and asexual stage in human. Microgametophyte and macrogametophyte enter the gut of female Anopheles with RBC. They unite in the gut and forms the motile zygote. Eukaryote is formed from zygote. It later undergoes sporulation and sporozoites are formed. These sporozoites then enter male to complete their asexual cycle. Next question, which one of the following statements is correct with respect to immunity? The options are: rejection of kidney graft is a function of B lymphocytes. Preformed antibodies need to be injected to treat the bite by a viper snake. The antibodies against smallpox pathogen are produced by T lymphocytes, and lastly, antibodies are protein molecules, each of which has 4 light chains. The answer will be here option 2, preformed antibodies need to be injected to treat the bite by a viper snake, because the correct option is the option 2. In artificially acquired passive immunity, preformed antibody is an immune serum of some other animal is introduced into the body. As the antivenom used to treat snake bites, in this case the body does not produce any antibodies. Antibody is a protein molecule having 2 light and 2 heavy chains. B cells recognize and bind antigens and may differentiate to memory cells or plasma cells produce antibody. T cell causes transplant rejection. Now the next question, read the following statements. A to D. Colostrum is recommended for the newborn because it is rich in antigens. Chikungunya is caused by a gram-negative bacterium. Tissue or meristem culture has proved useful in obtaining virus-free plants. Beer is manufactured by distillation of fermented grape juice. How many of the above statements is or are wrong? Here the correct answer will be, now there are options are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and the correct answer will be option 2, that is 3. Because colostrum is a milky fluid that comes from the breasts of mammals the first few days after giving birth, before true milk comes, and rich in proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and antibodies, not the antigen. So here the statement A is incorrect. Statement B, chikungunya is caused by the chikungunya virus, not the bacteria. So statement B is also incorrect. Third, tissue culture has proved useful in obtaining virus-free plants. This is correct. Beer is produced by the saccharification of starch and fermentation of the resulting sugar. So here the statement D is incorrect. Among these 4 options, only C is correct. So here the correct answer will be option 2, which is 3. Next question, which one of the following acts as a physiological barrier to the entry of microorganisms in human body? The options are skin, epithelium of urinogenital tract, tears and monocytes. Here the correct answer will be option 3, tears. Physiological barriers to the entry of microorganisms in the human body are tears in eyes, saliva in mouth, and HCl in the stomach. The enzyme lysozymes are found in tears, and saliva inhibits the synthesis of peptidoglycan present in the cell wall of microorganisms, especially eubacteria. Hence, tears act as the physiological barrier to entry of microorganisms in the human body. So here the correct answer is option 3, tears. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful it if you enjoyed this one.